Okay, welcome to a brand new asymmetrical horror game. If you don't know what that genre is, it includes games like Dead by Daylight and Friday the 13th, the game. And this is for the license of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And I've done nothing these past 3 days that this playtest has been up. I've done nothing but just watch this game and play this game. This game is incredible. And we got Leland, of course. Leland is not the best, but he is easily the most fun. I'll go over the quick mechanics for the game while we're waiting for the game to start. But as a victim, well, let's start with the very basics. This game is a 3v4. There are 3 killers and 4 survivors. That sounds a little imbalanced, but and you'll see that it's really not all that bad. It's not all that bad. But there are 3 killers: Cook, Leatherface, and Hitchhiker, and 4 survivors. For now, they are Leland, Anna, Connie, and Sonny. The tier list for them probably goes Connie, Leland, Anna, Sonny. Connie is just absolutely broken, and we'll go over Connie's ability because every victim has an ability. Leland, his active ability is to, when in range, press right click and you will tackle one of the killers. I might honestly disable that. We'll see. Okay, so Leland's ability is to tackle a killer and stun them. I'm actually not sure what Anna's ability is. Connie's ability is to instantly lockpick a door, and you will see that this is utterly broken. Completely broken. Completely broken. I am turning push to chat off for this for recording purposes, of course. But this game is surprisingly good. So this is not most of the questions I've seen asked a million times about this game is this going to kill Dead by Daylight? And the simple answer to that is no. They are not close enough. They are not similar enough to even really compete with each other. These 2 games could totally coexist. And that's awesome. That these games could coexist and it's not going to be a problem. Because they're different enough that it's really not going to clash the player bases too much. It is definitely a lot closer to Friday the 13th than it is Dead by Daylight, which would be a bad thing. However, a lot of the issues that were in Friday the 13th have been addressed in this game. Friday the 13th, its map felt way too big, which made finding car pieces ridiculous. The map is not big at all for this game. There's 2 maps. Neither of them are huge. Another issue was that Jason, or the killer in general, was just too strong. And in this game, you don't really feel that. You feel that Cook is underpowered, but really good for information. You feel that Leatherface is really strong, but really bad at chasing. You find that Hitchhiker is kind of weak, but he's incredible at chasing. So it just doesn't feel that bad. Ignore my textures. I downloaded this on an HDD and not an SSD, so they load very slow. But it should be fine once we get in game. And once you're in game, the action keeps you occupied anyway. Reminder, at the bottom of the screen you can obviously see, but this is a technical test, and this was supposed to end last night. However, it's ending tonight because everybody loved the game so much, and they extended the playtest. And so these are bones. You're gonna want to crouch by them or not, But these are unlock tools. you're going to want to grab unlock tools. An unlock tool will get you out of the basement. Never mind. Gotta go. The yellow means that a killer is nearby. It's kind of like a terror radius, but oh boy. Oh, okay, that was a crack in the door. I was a bit worried there for a second. That could have been bad, though. Okay, we got some health. We're gonna take that for now. Let's see if we can get to the door. Your best bet is to just... Well, your best bet as Connie is to rush the door, or if you're a maniac, rush the door. Leatherface is back. Somewhere. Not exactly sure where he is. Let's just keep trying to get upstairs. And you can stop picking the lock to reset your audio. The noise has awoken Grandpa. That usually happens when someone opens a basement door. Shit. That's really bad. I'm going. It is perfectly okay and perfectly valid to, once the basement is open, go back into the basement. That is a perfectly valid choice. You do not need to stay upstairs. I think Leatherface is chasing her. Yep. So I snuck away like a little rat. And like I was saying earlier, you can crouch by these and you won't make noise with them. Which is awesome. Let's just try to get upstairs. Leatherface is somewhere over there. This is Grandpa. Stay away from him. Stay away from Grandpa. Ah, Cook. I'm not all that worried about Cook. But I am worried about Bubba. Open these up. Get through here. See what we can do. We're gonna head upstairs. I'm not all focused on getting out right now. I am focused on surviving though. Should not have used my active ability so early, but you know, it works out fine. Leland's fun. It's a big ol' health boy. Let's look around for... Unlock tool is good. Okay, that's one person. It's one of our teammates gone. This isn't great. It's really not too quiet. I hear Bubba. We need to find ourselves something. We need to find a... Hi, Connie. Okay, so our Connie doesn't really seem to know what she's doing. Because if our Connie knew what she's doing, she'd probably be gone already. Because Connie is just ridiculous. These right here, these barbed wire barriers, nobody can get through, but Bubba can destroy them. Yes. Oh, I think I just stunned someone with a door slam. I think Bubba's in here. It's fine. It's fine, you don't see me. Just go downstairs. Can't tell. Will this door's open? What can we do here? And you can do things slowly to avoid being heard. Try to pick this lock and get out here. get out here. Out here is the car battery exit. It's one of the easier ones. All right, let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get moving. We have to find an unlock tool, and then we also have to disable the car battery. Keep our eyes out to see if any killerinos are coming after us. Unlock tool. I'm really not sure where those spawn out here. Nobody came to turn this on. Yeah, I'm thinking. I'm trying to find an unlock tool. Oh, fuck. I hope no one heard that. Should be fine. Let's see if we can find an unlock tool. That'd be awesome. Unlock tool, unlock tool. Bone scrap's nice. Bone scrap allows you to stab a killer, get out of a trap, anything really. I don't know if I actually want to do this stealthy. It's taking a lot of time. It would be nice to have. Can I go through here? I can. Let's see if there's an unlock tool to be gained. And if there isn't, there is a ladder downstairs here that we can use. Oh, unlock tool. Nice. Let's see if we can get out. Our condition is dropping. I'm not actually sure what condition does in this game. Okay, let's get this unlock tool and then head right back over to the car. Right back over. My audio might not be on, and if it isn't, that is... Oh, my audio isn't on. Whatever, I'll play another game. Saw the door slam over there. No matter, I'm heading for this. Get my ass out of here. Okay, come on. Okay, we're good. We're out. Woo! God, it's so fun. So fun. So that's 2 of us out, 1 of us dead. Let's see, what's Connie doing in the basement? Oh, wait, no. Escaped and disconnected. Okay, so 2 of us are out, 1 of us... 2 of us are out, 1 of us is, still gone. Set that audio up. Oh, look at that. You guys have audio now. We'll just have some music going or something for that first game, because that first game was good. I like that game. That was fun. Got to show off what Leland does. Got to show off a lot. We're probably not going to stick around for that. Okay. We are getting a game as Connie. That's a shame. I really wanted to showcase the other map. But I guess not. I guess we're just going to be playing Family House. And we're going to try to show off Connie's prowess. Okay. If you don't remember, Connie's active ability is you hit the focus button, which is your right click, and you just instantly unlock a lock. Her passive ability is just faster, easier lock picking. So she's kind of broken. But the whole balancing part of her is making her the slowest at like breaking out of the ropes at the beginning, or the chains, whatever they are. And making her the weakest in like hand-to-hand combat encounters with the family, and giving her the least health to start with. But that really isn't enough. That is not enough, because she can just disappear before any of those become a problem. So they need to do something about Connie. I don't know what they're gonna do about Connie, or if they're gonna do anything about Connie. We'll see. I have faith. I have a decent amount of faith. These are good developers, and they've made a good game so far. So I'm excited to see where this game goes for release, and where it goes after that. It's certainly not oh, I'm not ready. It's certainly not going to... It doesn't have the longevity to live like DBD does, like Dead by Daylight does. But it's not so like unbalanced and unfun like Friday the 13th is. It's like a good mix of like balance and fun. Where it's like, sure, the game isn't all that balanced, like even slightly, but it's fun. And it's not as buggy as Friday the 13th was either, which is always good. How did I get out at the same time Leland did? Yep, Leland, you know the vibe. Yep, we know the vibe. If you hear other... Oh, we've already woken Grandpa. Cool, didn't ask. Okay, we wait for the scream to be over, because the scream, as you can see right there, gives the killers a form of aura reading.
This might lead to the others.
Let's see if we can find another unlock. Ah, there we go. Ooh, nice one, Anna. Yep, he's chasing after. No, he's not. Okay. Bye, Bubba. He's just gonna camp his door, man? There's other doors. But there's also other survivors right here. And he's also... Okay. Did someone escape the family house? Did someone take the window? Okay, let's just go find another door. Don't want to find another door. Waste of time, I'd like to show off how good Connie is, but no luck on that end. Find another door. Hello, Anna. Okay, cool. Nice. Oh my god, somebody's already out based. Okay, let's see. Somebody already escaped. Right. Basement exit's open. Okay, well, we gotta try to go for that then. Like, that's a shout. See if we can get there first before it closes. Grandpa's immobilized too. Awesome. I'm not exactly sure where the basement exit is. but we'll try to find it real quick. There it is. There it is. Go, 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 go. That's how easy that exit is. Oh, that's 3 of us out already. Yeah, this game is kind of victim-sided so far. All right, Anna, let's see what you can do here.
You can do this. Think.
Okay, she's healing up. Smart girl, smart girl. This guy's name is Dijon. Like, just straight Dijon. What are you gonna do? Show us something. I don't know what Anna's power is. I'd love to see it used here, but I just don't know what it is.
I know they're still around here somewhere.
Latching the door. Interesting. Hit the fuse box. Unless it's not there. I thought it had... I didn't think it had multiple spawns. Okay, base. Just grabbing yourself some... Grabbing self-defense. Oh, that's what you're doing. Okay. I'm not sure she knows exactly what she's doing. She's trying, though. Making a lot of noise. I'll tell you that for free. He's making a whole lot of noise. That's Hitchhiker, baby. Nice. Through the gap, through the gap. Yeah, I know you didn't mean to turn that off. Oh, phew. Did you even see that? Oh, Cook's here too now. Yeah, I think this girl's done. I'm gonna be honest. I think this girl is just toast. That's the thing about Victim, right? Unlike a game like Dead by Daylight, there is no chance. There is no last chance for the final victim or final survivor or whatever. Whatever for either game. There is no final chance. It is just you're toast. Let's see if she can get to the basement exit. If she knows where, if she could, she doesn't even need to know where it is. She just needs to find it. Based. Oh, that is such a based move. She seems to know her way around decently well. You close that bitch right behind you. All right, fair enough. Do you know where basement exit is? Oh, Bubba's camping it. I don't, yeah, you're not gonna one-shot her though. Okay, that was impressive. I didn't think she would get it. Nice. Oh geez, there goes my microphone. But anyway, this is Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'm not gonna do any family gameplay because I don't enjoy playing the family. God, Bubba, your saw is so loud. But that's the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game. I'm really enjoying it. Like, well, I say enjoying. I enjoyed it because it is currently 11 p.m. The playtest ends at 12. And I need to edit this and get this out before the end of the night. So, I enjoyed it while it lasted. And I'm very excited to see what this game has to offer. Rounding it up, longevity. Do I think it's going to last as long as a game like Dead by Daylight? No. It's only got one license. The reason Dead by Daylight can just keep going is because it has an original universe, meaning they can just keep making killers, right? Which is where the Singularity came from. You know, it's an official, it's an original killer. There's no license behind it. And that's why DBD can keep going, because even when it doesn't have a license to release, it can just make another killer. It's not that big of a deal. But this is a licensed game. This whole game is licensed, and because of that alone, the game isn't going to last. And the devs know that. The devs, I have a feeling the devs know that. The devs know that this isn't going to last. This is not a game that's going to go on for years. They know this is going to be maybe, at best, a 6-month period a 6-month period of playtime, because I heard there's perks and skill trees coming from different sources. Some said perks, some said skill trees. I'm not sure which is accurate. I don't know. I didn't look too much into this game because I didn't think it'd be great, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So we'll have to see what those perks or those skill trees have to offer, and what those have to offer could spell doom or success for this game. I think it's going, a good mark is it's going to last 6 months, like with an active player base. After that, it's going to be probably a party game that, you and your friends hop on to have fun. Like Friday the 13th, the game. So I could see those perks and skill trees either shortening that time to 4 or 5 months, or even lengthening it to 8 months to a year. Yeah, it's just we haven't seen a type of game like this all too much, so it's kind of hard to say. But I am excited to play this when it comes out. I'm gonna buy it. Definitely gonna buy it. I think if you like Friday the 13th the game, or I would say Dead by Daylight, but it's not similar enough to say, hey, if you like DBD, you'll like this. Yeah, it's not that similar. You can't just say that. But if you like that genre, if you like asymmetrical horror, then you'll like this. It's well made. It's a it's a very popular license. So I just have high hopes. I really have high hopes for this game. Anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, I know it's different from my normal content. It's still in the horror genre, but it's a bit different. But I seriously really wanted to make this video because I was having a blast. But hope you enjoyed YouTube. Peace.